Hello everyone. So in my previous video we have seen the properties of determinants, right? Now let us see exercise 4.2. Okay. Exercise 4.2. Your question is, see, I am telling the question, using properties of determinant and without expanding it, right? We have to use the property of determinant and without expanding it we have to prove, right? What we have to prove from first question? X, Y, Z, A, B, C, X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C is equal to 0. Now listen, we have to prove this, right? So let us consider the LHS first. RHS we have to prove 0. So in LHS what we can do, that is X, Y, Z, A, B, C. This we can separate. X, Y, Z and plus right. X, Y, Z I have written here, plus A, B, C I have written plus A, B, C. See, this we have seen in my previous video, right? This all of you know. Now here column 1 and column 3 and here column 2 and column 3, they are identical. So if two columns are identical in one matrix or in one determinant, we can write it as 0. So here we have done LHS is equal to RHS. Right, this is a simple question in which we have to use a property. Okay, we are not supposed to expand, we have to use the property only, right? I hope so this is clear with everyone. Okay, now second question. In second question, yes, you can note it down, right? You can take a screenshot and you can note it down. Okay, I am erasing it now. Question number 2. That is same thing, same we have to do, right? Today whatever we are going to do, that is same thing, using the properties of determinant and without expanding. Okay, here A minus B, B minus C, C minus C. Here B minus C, C minus A and A minus B. C minus A minus B and B minus C is equal to 0. Okay, so now how can we prove it? See, let us think. If we will add row 1 and row 2, we will get A minus C. If I will get here row 1 plus row 2, then also I will get here C and C will get cancelled, B minus A. It will be something different. But if I am going to add row 1 as row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Okay, in row 1 we are going to add row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3, right? So what we are going to do, that is A minus B plus B minus C. B and B getting cancelled with each other. C and A they also getting cancelled. So if you are doing row 1 to, if you are adding row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3, then you will be getting here 0, here also 0, here also. Right, you can try this, you can just add, you will be getting here 0 on, right? Because here how we have done, see, LHS, here I will tell you for this row, right? A, for this I will solve A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A, C, B and A. So here same way for this 3 and for this 3. So we will be getting here our answer, that is 0, 0, 0. If one row is 0, if we are going to expand, if you will expand, then 0 in bracket something plus 0 into plus or minus in bracket something plus 0. So 0 multiplied with anything will get answer 0 only, right? See, in this question it actually looks very difficult to solve, but when we are actually solving it, it is very easy for us. But what we have to remember, see, here actually we are not supposed to remember that we have to do row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3, but what we are going to do, we have to think which thing we are going to apply. Okay, so here I have added, see here you can see plus a minus b, plus b minus, plus a minus b plus b, minus c plus c. So all the letters in this row, it means if we are going to add r1 plus r2 plus r3, this row 1, we are going to do row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3, then all the letters are opposite to each other. See, plus b minus c plus c, minus a plus c, plus c minus c, minus a plus a, minus b plus b. So our answer we are getting here, if we are going to add row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3 in row 1, then we are going to get 0. Now if we are going to solve it, then we will get our answer 0 only, right? Then that is equal to our RHS, right? So you can note it down, you can take a screenshot and you can note it down, right? Now third question. In question number 3, what we are going to do, that is same question using properties of determinant and without expanding. We have to prove that 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86 is equal to 0. Okay, now we want to prove it, right? But see here, no x, no y, a, b, c, nothing is given, only numbers are given. Now you want to make it equal to 0. We are not supposed to expand, okay? So listen, how you can do. You cannot take out 2 from this, you cannot take out 5, means any numbers we take out, it is also not possible. So you have to think over here, how to solve this type of questions, right? Here we cannot do addition, subtraction also, we cannot write in plus minus form. But this 65, if I am going to write, listen to me, bigger numbers we will take. Here 2, 7, 3, 8, 5, 9. 65. So 65, if we are going to expand, then can I write 7 multiply with 9 plus 2? Here can I write 8 multiply with 9 plus 3? Here I am writing 9 multiply with 9 plus 5. You see what I have done? 7 nines is 63 plus 2 65. 8 nines are 72 plus 3 70. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 5 86. Okay. Now you see very carefully. You can see 2 3 5 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 7 8 9 6. So now we are going to use that property, that is 2 3 5 7 8 9. We can separate this, right? 7 into 9, 8 into 9, 9 into 9 plus 2 3 5 7 8 9 2 3 5. Now we cannot write directly 0. Okay, we have to show here that here if we take out 9. Okay, I hope so this much everyone understood. Now if you are going to take out 9 from here, 9 from here, 9 from here, 9 from here, then 9 from here if you take out, then column 1 and column 2 and column 3 will be identical. And here column 1 and column 3 are identical, right? They are same. So if they are identical, then here 9 into 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is always 0 only, right? So our answer is equal to RHS, that is 0. Right? So in this type of questions, what you are going to do, that is you are going to think over here what we can do to make our answer equal with RHS, right? So you can note it down and you can take a screenshot and then afterwards you note it down, right? Now question number 4. See, question number 4 I will give you as homework. What you have to do, right? I am going to tell. Question number 4. Okay, this everyone I hope so understood. You can take a screenshot and I will erase it. Okay, afterwards you can note it down. Now fourth question I will tell you what to do. In fourth question, first of all, solve means open brackets in column 3. Okay, if you will open the bracket, then you will get AB plus AC, BC plus AB and CA plus CB. Now what you are going to do, that is you add column 2 as column 2 plus column 3. So you will get one answer, AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. Now you have to take it out. So you will get your answer 0, right? If you are not going to get the answer, then you will let me know so that I will solve it over here, right? At least just try, you will get. See, your determinant is given, right? I will just explain you do on your own, so it will be easy for you, right? 1 1 1 BC CA AB. I am just expanding that A bracket, okay? AB plus AC, BC plus AB, CA plus CB. Now what you do, add this both, column 2 and column 3. Now you take out AB plus BC plus CA. Here both the 1 1 1 will be getting, and here you will get AB plus AC, same as this. So this both column 1 and column 2 are identical, so your answer is 0. That's what you have to prove, right? See, I have just explained you solve it on your own. ओके मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ पर कॉलम 2 में कॉलम 2 प्लस कॉलम 3 को ऐड कर दिया है, लेकिन उससे पहले ये जो स्टेप है उसे हमने ब्रैकेट में एक्सपांड किया है. ओके, नाउ कॉलम 2 एंड कॉलम 3 इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ऐड एंड इफ यू टेक आउट AB plus BC plus CA from column 2, then you will get both the column 1 and column 2 identical. If both the columns are identical, then our answer is 0. Okay, now question number 5. In question number 5, what we are supposed to do is that in question number 5, our question is same, using the properties of determinant and without expanding. Here this question is little bit different from question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Why it is different? Because there are many steps involved in this. See, this we have to prove, right? See, you first of all you have to see over here LHS and RHS. In both of these there is one difference. In LHS plus all are in given plus, in RHS individual letters are given, right? So here we have to think how we can make it individual. So first of all what we are going to do, that is we will make all the letters individual. How we are going to do, that is first of all you do R1 as R1 minus R2. So I will just tell you all the steps. You do row 1 as row 1 minus row 2. This is your first step in LHS. In LHS what you are going to do, that is in row 1 you are going to do row 1 minus row 2. Okay, so what you are going to get the answer, B plus C minus C plus A. So you are going to get B minus A. Here R and R will get cancelled. Q minus P. And here Z and Z. So Y minus X. Other all as it is. Okay. I have just done row 1 as row 1 minus row 2. Now if I am going to do row 1 as row 1 plus row 3, why? That I will tell you. If we are going to do row 1 as row 1 plus row 3, then minus A will get cancelled with each other. B plus C, B plus D, 2. Here Q plus Q, 2Q. Y plus Y, 2Y. Other all as it is. Right, I hope so this much everyone understood. Okay, why I have done that? Because these two I can take out outside. These two from row 1 I can take it outside. So here we got BQY. Here we have, it is not given in first row, it is given in second row, but at least we got BQY, right? Now we want to get A, P and X and C R Z. A, P and X. So you want to remove BQY. How you will remove? Right? So what you are going to do? Row 3 minus row 1. After this, we are going to do row 3 as row 3 minus row 1. So if we do row 3 as row 3 minus row 1, R3 as R3 minus R1, then here 2 B, Q, Y, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. R3 minus R1, A plus B minus B. So here we are going to get P only. P plus Q minus Q. So here P only. X plus Y minus Y. So here X only. Right. Now we want to get R2. So R2 minus R3. Row 2 as row 2 minus row 3. So B, Q, Y, C, R, Z, A, P, X. But now here if you will think that sir, actually here APX is first row, here APX is row 3, that is third row. BQY is second row in RHS, in required RHS, but we have got BQY as first row. CRZ is third row, but we have got CRZ as second row. So what you do, see we have the properties of determinant that if we going to change any two rows, then negative sign is applied. So first you change R1 with R3. Okay, R1 with R3 if you will change, then minus 2 it will come. And R1 and R3 will be getting interchanged. And then you change R2 with R3. Then minus plus will be there and that will be our required answer. Okay, what I told, after this step, row 2 as row 2 minus row 3, we have got this answer, right? But this is not our required RHS. It is something different. Okay, so what we are going to do, row 1 interchange with row 3. So we get our answer as minus 2 and row 1 and row 3 are interchanged. Again interchange two rows, row 2 and row 3. So you are getting minus plus 2 and that is our required RHS, right? So that will be your required answer. Okay. So you can note it down, you can take a screenshot and note it down, right? Now we are going to solve question number 6. So question number 6, okay, I am erasing it, you can take a screenshot and note it down, right? Question number 6. Question number 6 we have, that is, we have to prove 0 0a minus b, minus a 0c, minus a 0c, minus c, b c 0. Okay, here this is a question which is little bit different from all the questions that we have done. It is also one of the important questions. Okay, so now in question number 6, what we are going to solve means how we are going to solve. That is, first of all, you see it is a skew symmetric matrix, skew symmetric determinant, right? Because here 0 0 0, diagonal is 0. So whenever skew symmetric matrix is there, we cannot use usual process because we will not get our answer. We want our answer 0, right? So what I am going to do, that is, I can first of all do one thing. I can multiply C here. I can divide C outside it first row. Why I have done that, I will tell. Okay, this I have done. Now why I have done this? Because here we want to get any two rows equal. See, here you can also use any other method, right? But what I am going to do, that is, I am going to make these two rows equal. Which row? Row 1 and row 3. So what I have done, here C and here A. Okay, AC I have multiplied over here and here I have multiplied with C. Now after this step, I am going to make row 1 as row 1 minus BR2. Yes, now why I am going to do this? So listen, because here this is 0, here we have minus BC. Minus BC we want to make 0, so plus BC. How we are going to get plus BC? Minus minus is plus, B into C. So here 1 by C A. Okay, here 0 minus of A, minus A into B, so plus A. AC and minus B multiplied, so here AC. Minus BC plus BC 0. Right, I hope so you understood this step, because it is very much important step and this sum is also very much important. Right, now still our answer is not there, but these two rows are not equal, row 1 and row 3. But how we are going to make equal? That is, multiply A with row 3. So multiply A with row 3, so divide also outside. AB, see here we cannot multiply directly, we have to divide also, right? So don't forget to divide outside. AB, AC and 0. Now here two rows are identical, row 1 and row 3 are same. Row 1 and row 3 are identical. So 1 by AC multiply with 0, our answer is 0. Don't write directly your answer 0, okay? You know that you have understood, but examiner don't know that you understood. So you have to show them that you have understood. And how you have written 0? Because row 1 and row 3 are identical. Okay, so question number 6, you note it is very important sum. Whenever skew symmetric determinants is there, we have to solve using different type. We have to think over that and we have to solve. Right, now question number 7. Everyone note it down. You can take a screenshot and note it down. Now question number 7. Question number 7 we have, that is, minus A square AB AC BA minus B square BC, CA CB minus C square is equal to 4A square B square C square. Right, now here also here you are not supposed to get 0 as your answer. So how to solve? But if you will look in the RHS very carefully, then sorry, in LHS and RHS, right, both of you look A square, so something might be A will be taken out or A square will be taken out, but directly we are not going to take out A square. Here in LHS, if you take out A from row 1, okay, if you take out B from row 2, and if you take out C from row 3, then we will get our answer like this way. Okay, I hope so you understood. From row 1 we have take out common, that is A. From row 2 we have take out B common, and from row 3 we have take out C common. Now once again from column 1 you take out A common, so A square. From column 2 you take out B, so B square. And from column 3 you take out C, so C into C, C square. Minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Okay, now here if you will solve this, then you will get your answer 4 for this determinant. If you are going to solve, you will get your answer 4. Otherwise you can perform the calculations also, right? Anyways, if you are going to solve it, and that I will tell you, you can solve it by your own. Anyways, you can do R1 plus R2 also, whatever the things, R1 plus R2, R1 plus R3. If you are going to solve anyways, you are going to get the answer 4A square B square C square only. Okay, that is equal to our RHS. So that is our required answer. Okay, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Right. So students, that's it for today. We will meet in my next video. Okay, thank you very much.